just in, ladies and gentlemen. We just finished a What's That Smell, and we got a delivery to our door. So we're having a little What's That Smell 2.0.
And this is an order from Scent Angel. Some of it's Scent Angel, some of it's House Did You Buy, but I'm just going to mix it all together because we got some brand new stuff and some more vintage stuff from Micallef that I picked up because I wanted it. First one, we'll see, and we'll go from there. So if you came here to play What's That Smell with us.
Hey, what's that smell?
What is that smell?
We don't even know.
I don't know.
We're not sure.
You came to the right place. So welcome to the family. First one on our list is Martine.
That sounds
And it's some kind of vanilla. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am aware that there is a dog walking in and out of frame, and there may or may not be another one at any moment. It's the blessing and the curse of filming in my living room when they're basically feral children.
a little feral too.
Oh, that's so nice. It's just a nice vanilla fragrance.
Ooh, that's pretty. Or is that Mon Parfum?
Maybe.
Because the bottle looks like Mon Parfum.
I think it might be.
Martine Micallef. Mon Parfum. That's why.
Parfum. And by, what is that from it?
It says Martine Micallef, which is M. Micallef.
Okay.
See, there you go.
Mon Parfum.
Mon Parfum.
That's so nice. It's a white florally fragrance, right? Okay.
Oh, very pretty. That's lovely.
That's so nice. It's just a traditional, non-challenging fragrance. It's got orange flower mandarin, passion fruit. Ooh, I love me passion fruit.
I know, and it treats you very well. Sometimes passion fruit on me can turn sour. This doesn't smell sour to me.
Vanilla vetiver, caramel musk. It's pretty. So I'm sure as it dries down, it gets more to the patchouli muskiness. And Micallef is known for their musk.
Yeah.
A lot of times.
The gems on their bottle.
And the gems
And
and a
the
cat.
the dog. The cat is Conan. The dog is Tank. And there's gems. We shall see. TBD. That's a beautiful smell.
It's very pretty. And I love the gems and I love the scent. It's a win. It's a blind by win for Maria. A blind by win for the VanKleys.
He steps up to the title alone.
And that's Mon Paris.
No. Mon.
What is it called?
Mon Parfum.
Mon Parfum.
By M. Micallef.
Yay for a blind buy.
Yay. Good job, Ray.
Thanks, man. My next What's That Smell is a fragrance that it's a Micallef again.
Oh my goodness.
Is one that was super hot last year. Everyone was losing their friggin' minds over it.
Do you remember what it's called?
Yeah, Eau Feminine.
Oh, feminine.
Orange blossom up the wazoo. Okay.
Nice. Ow. Need me to do it?
I got it.
She had surgery last week.
Hand
On her
surgery.
hand.
Should have had brain.
You love your animals.
I do.
Oh.
It's sort of a green orange blossomy.
Wow, that is.
Right?
It is. It's very green. It's pretty.
I like it. Yeah. It's a green orange blossom scent.
Yeah.
It's lovely. It's feminine.
Oh, feminine.
Oh, feminine.
What's that smell? It's pretty.
Pretty orange blossom-y green. It has some green notes in it too. Jasmine. I smell some jasmine in there too.
I finally found it. Petitgrain, mandarin orange, pink pepper, lemon and bergamot, neroli, jasmine, rose, orange blossom, vanilla, patchouli, musk, and sandalwood.
That's really nice though. That's nice. That's a blind-ish buy. I got a sample 138 years ago.
Yeah.
And I really had to sit on it. But here I am.
Oh, feminine.
Oh, feminine.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
From Micallef, everybody. And that is an oldie but a goodie, is Ylang and Gold. I like the bottle, which is really half the reason I bought it. And Micallef, okay.
Golden
it's a little
top.
kitty wampus, but that's okay.
You get it?
Oh, I see how that works.
Oh.
I thought it was the other way.
I know.
So Ylang and Gold. Let's see how this one pans out. It probably has some ylang in it.
Probably.
Ylang. Don't look at it.
I didn't. I was just saying the words.
You already have it. You're cheating.
I have smelled this before.
I smell rose first, right? Does it smell like bathroom cleaner?
Smells a little like bananas and bathroom cleaner.
Wait, maybe it's a... I love Ylang, but it does have a banana-y scent to it.
The lips.
Ylang does have a banana-y scent to me.
Yeah, to me it has a banana scent.
I like it. It's something different.
Yeah.
A little bit of floral.
Yeah, there's some citrus in the top. Some other kind of citrus. I'm smelling. Maybe that's the bathroom cleaner that I smelled initially.
Sure, it dries down to something musky because it's at Micallef. It's pretty though. It's not offending anybody. It's a little bit tropical because of the ylang, but I think the jasmine brings it into more of a traditional fragrance.
Yeah, a fragrancy fragrance?
It does have a fragrancy-ness to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some pretty smells in that one.
Ylang and Gold, everybody.
And Micallef.
Whoa, I have one more on Micallef, which is the whole point of me placing this order.
Yeah.
Because I get hella bad FOMO. So I got us each a box of Hypnotic Musk. Everybody. Hypnotic Musk.
Hypnotic Musk.
I'm not going to lie. I don't care if it stinks because it's in the cutest bottle ever. So I'm going to even unbox it for everybody. You ready? You ready, everybody?
Oh, she's pink.
Isn't she darling?
Look at her.
Isn't she darling? Okay, I'm going to take it out of the box.
Oh, she's so pretty.
Ooh la la.
And they're shiny.
Yeah, beautiful.
Rose gold, too. All right.
Look at the lid on this one is the whole thing, not just the bottom part. Okay.
Surprise me on the one.
So this is some musky deliciousness.
Hypnotic Musk. We're going to be hypnotizing this
Good.
couple.
I could use some hypnotizing. Make me forget about the fact that there's animals crawling all over my house right now. Maybe Petco wants to sponsor me.
There you go.
Shock collars. I'm kidding.
What's that one?
Oh, that is nice and sweet and fruity.
Oh, that's a beauty fruity. I like that.
Okay, let me smell that. That's it. What is that smell?
It's definitely fruity. Is it some berries of something?
There's some berries in there. Not red fruits, though.
No?
I don't smell red fruits.
You mean kind of like plums and stuff?
Yeah, or red. Yeah. Lychee.
Yeah, right.
But not like Delina Exclusivi.
Okay.
Some fruitiness, like from some berry, maybe.
Yeah, berry.
It's very enjoyable. Maybe. Do we smell it?
That's lovely.
It's nice.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, first impressions, I like it.
Definitely gorgeous.
Turns out it has a pretty bottle and
pretty juice. Oh,
I enjoy it. I give it 2 thumbs up.
Raspberry, bergamot, lychee, violet, caramel, ginger, musk, vanilla, ambergris, and sandalwood.
Yeah, you know what? It has... It's reminiscent of some of the Byron perfumes, like Mula Mula or the Chronic, but it has a caramely fruitiness that some of the Byron fragrances do.
Okay. I don't know those very well. I've smelled them, but I don't know them.
To me, that's what it is reminiscent of. I'm not saying that it's a dupe for them because that's not what I mean.
Cool. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Hypnotic Musk. We love the smell.
Like it. I'm here for it. The last thing I found before I logged off of the Scent Angel was a sample of the new Electimus Moroccan
Medjool date. So the Moroccan Medjool, right? You want me to open it?
So we have the brand new Electimus that I am really excited to try because I do love that line. They have a very unique take on a lot of different fragrances. So this is, just so you guys can see it, this is the 5 ml decant size at Scent Angel. So it gives you a nice size sample.
Very nice.
So this is, you're going to have to open that one for me.
One of them.
This is a date fragrance. It has a lot of dates in it. I remember that. I remember the notes off the top of my head. Go. You got it, everybody. You got to sometimes give it a good pull.
Wowie.
Super strong. Super, super, super strong.
Wowie.
Super beautiful. It's got that fruitiness.
My goodness. That one punches you in the face in a good way.
That's so pretty.
It is. Oh my goodness.
Stunning. Wow.
Let me smell it again.
Super strong, pungent. Pungent, I don't mean you, pungent.
So sweet and succulent.
Isn't it?
Like,
Yeah. Wow.
oh, wowie.
That is
That is
the
something.
best. And the dates it's dates, so it's like dried fruit.
Mm-hmm.
And it has a little bit of citrus to keep it from getting cloying.
Yeah. And the dates, the dried fruits fragrances to me almost smell a little creamy because of the pulpiness of a dried fruit.
Cardamom, though, which adds the creaminess to me.
Okay.
Really beautiful.
Wow. And there's some spicy in there too. Probably from, cardamom.
Yeah.
Just a zing.
And it does have citrus in the opening, too. And then it gets into the floralness. According to the notes, there's rose, jasmine, and
The florals. Yeah. Oh, there's quite a bit of citrus in the top. Grapefruit, bergamot, and lemon. I wasn't paying attention. I was overwhelmed by the dates and the cardamom.
That's stunning. I smell it on my thumb and I'm so happy.
Yeah. And then the base notes are caramel, cashmere, wood, ambergris, vanilla, and oak moss. Yeah. It's really, do they sell it in half gallons?
Yeah.
A jug size?
God, it's so pretty.
Uh-huh. This might get her through this evening. Although you sprayed, what, 2 on here?
Mm-hmm. I
Knocked
can't wait to
me
put it on
out.
skin. Ugh.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
That's
Worth talking about.
amazing. That's not just beautiful. That's
that's
an
amazing.
amazing.
That's
fragrance.
amazing.
So what was that smell? That smell was amazing.
Amazing. Thank you, Electimus and Sun Angel.
Yes, thank you, Electimus and Sun Angel. Good job. Wowie, wow.
Wow. I'm making those eyes with the stars in them.
Yeah. I don't know what else to say.
Amazing.
This one's
3
done
words.
me in a
Taylor smell over 10. Yeah.
whoa.
Hot dog. That is 10 times better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. I didn't even know what I expected.
Yeah. I just discovered it the other day, and I saw that they had a sample of it, and I thought, why not? Why not? Oh, my God.
I thought maybe it'd be like sticky toffee pudding smell.
Oh, man, that's so pretty.
That's astounding. That is amazing, miraculous, not of this world.
Just
something I've never smelled. Not a scent profile I've never smelled.
now that everyone's logged off because they heard us saying how much they love it.
Wowie.
Hashtag we love it.
We love it.
In case you didn't figure it out.
Thank you for allowing us to prattle on about how much we love it.
Stunning.
Get your nose on it.
You have. I would say it's not a safe blind buy unless you're someone like me who's extremely adventurous and likes bold and bombastic fragrances. Bold and bombastic.
And then some with a marching band behind it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Another new fragrance in the big wide world.
In the stable
today is the new Donna Karan. Susie, what's the name of this one?
This one is Cashmere and Vanilla Essence.
Okay.
Here she is.
In those beautiful bottles.
So stunning. You could hurt somebody with one of those. Oh, wow.
Oh, man, that's so pretty.
That's gorgeous. You've done it right. Again.
It definitely has that vanilla, but it's not overly sweet to me. It's overly beautiful.
It's stunning.
It's beautiful.
It is.
It's
really
so beautiful.
Pretty. Yeah. Here, let me look her up. Okay. Wow.
And
That's
I'm going to
gorgeous.
tell you guys a secret. I did test this on my hand this morning because I couldn't take it. I had such bad FOMO. I had to open it up right away. Okay. And this thing projects like a monster. I had it on my hand and I was outside walking the dogs and I kept sniffing myself in the middle of winter, outside, wind blowing, and I was smelling and enjoying it. En sillage.
Yeah.
And it dries down to this beautiful vanilla-y, creamy, woody.
The top notes are pink pepper and apple.
Okay.
The middle notes are violet and jasmine. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, and sandalwood.
Simple notes, but man, that is very well done.
So lovely. Wowie.
Thanks.
Thanks, Donna.
You're right. Here. And then it's got a lid
love
that
the
makes me
magnetic
so
lid.
happy.
That's Donna Karan, Cashmere and Vanilla Essence. That's a safe blind buy.
Oh, yeah, I would say if you like Donna, if you like her other stuff and you like a sweet vanilla, but not cloyingly sweet, it's not gourmand, I wouldn't say.
No.
Let me see. No, it's just a nice vanilla that leans sweet.
Get you some
Stunning.
Donna, kids.
Get on it. Get on it. Get on it. What's that smell? Oh, Donna Karan.
Yay, Donna.
Everybody, thank you so much for coming by today and playing What's That Smell? Oh, so many beautiful fragrances we found today. Just sniffing around. Thanks to House of Dubai and Scent Angel.
Yep.
For delivering fragrances today to my house.
Yay.
For our impromptu What's That Smell episode. So have fun playing What's That Smell at your own houses. The show notes have all the discount codes if we have them. And you can always get some samples first. But
Sense Angels has a lot of great.
Let me tell you, that Electimus and that Donna Karan were something to talk about.
Definitely.
Not to mention that new musk from Micallef.
Cool.
I think we had some really good winners today.
We had some big wins.
Big wins.
Big wins, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
For What's That Smell?
So thank you so much again for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Yes.
We are the VanKleys, and we'd like to up our numbers. We love you, and we want to keep sharing smells with you, and we want to know what smells you want to smell.
If you stayed long enough to reach the end of the video, we want you to comment what smell you want to smell.
Like, subscribe, share. We're the VanKleys. Thank you for coming.
And welcome to the family.
So thank you for joining us on olfactory journey. We're not anywhere near.
No.
Go.
There's a dog being super bad over there. I'm pretending like because I can't take it.